Alright guys, so this is a Toyota Camry 2021 and this is an LE front passenger headlight. So this is what it looks like. We actually had to switch this one out and put a new one in, actually on both. But this is what it looks like. It has the blinker home. It's really bright too. As you can see, this is what it looks like from far away. It looks super sporty. I do believe that the one for the SE is a little bit different though, but that's what it looks like. It's really thin and angled. It's not anything too wide like the old Toyota Camrys. It's just like a little strip. But yeah, I like the way that these ones look. And then this is just the front view of it. And then if I go back a little bit, that's what it looks like.